All right, so I have this cordless impact drill by ALTOCRAFT. Has a keyless chuck, 20+1 torque settings, built-in LED work light, and a power indicator on the machine body. Comes in a nice compact package, 12-volt battery, variable speed trigger, and a forward-reverse switch as well. Like I said, this box is very compact, but I think it has everything you need. Here's a battery charger. Here's the battery. Fits in the charger. Here's a manual. Should be pretty straightforward. Also comes with a few bits, all taped up, so kind of hard to get to. Just got to rip this open. So, several Phillips, flathead, and several of these hole makers of various sizes. And then, of course, the device itself. It's got some weight to it. Zoom out a little bit. Nice compact size, but like I said, it's got some weight to it. Definitely tell it's made of good materials. Let's put the battery in. Works right out of the box. Let's give it a drill bit. So if you just lightly push on the trigger, you can tell these lights light up. Here's a light to show you where you're going. This shows you how much battery life you have in it. Yeah, everything seems to be working great. Here's where you can adjust your speeds and of course how much torque you want it to give, or if you're drilling a hole like that. Nice compact size. I really like this. Battery's easy to get in and out. These buttons don't have any clickiness to them. You just kind of squeeze them and the battery does slide out. If you don't squeeze them, then the battery doesn't come out. So it seems to work fine. That's just a little bit different than I've seen before. This button here, depending on which way it's pressed, determines whether it's going forward or reverse. So here's forward. And there's reverse. And it does have variable speed just in the trigger itself as well. If you hold it just very lightly, it's going slow. Hold it a bit more and it'll speed up. Very cool. That's definitely handy. So let's try this out in a real case scenario and see how it works. I'm just going to attach this hardware to this painting my daughter made and hang it above my bed. Everything works super easy, works just as intended. Seems like it's made of good materials, really easy to use, works just fine. I recommend it. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.